featuring Ariana Grande, who's also like a fucking angel.
You're blocked. You're blocked. You're out of here. You're fucking out of here. NICKIMINAJ. Stop. I'm gonna fuck you.
That t-shirt make you look like a T-Rex. Shut up.
Why don't you fuck you? Ah! No, you're making my mustache tickle. I meant to say tickle. I'm uncomfortable. All right, here we go.
Pace. Who's about to run? Please tell me who's
Say that shit again. Say that shit again. Fuck you, bitch. What's wrong with you people? Stream 2 stuff and shut the fuck up. The cares at the Lord. Told them fuck 12 fuck squad. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in a box. The song, however, I agree. The worst, maybe the worst song in the entire world. Not good. Lyrically, lost. The worst song.
So I was like, I'm gay. And then I went, oh, oops, sorry, happy birthday. I meant to say happy birthday.
Want to wear it like it's a hat? Then that's high fashion. Do you see this? Get into it.